Mango and Blackberry Yoghurt Ice Blocks. For the mango layer, place the mango and yoghurt in a blender and blend until smooth. You may need to scrape down the sides as you go. Transfer to a jug. For the blackberry layer, blend the blackberries with more yoghurt in a clean blender until smooth. Transfer to another jug. You'll need to fill 10 ice block moulds. Start by pouring half the mango mixture into the moulds, followed by half the blackberry mixture. Then pour in another layer of each mixture. Now all you have to do is insert an ice block stick and freeze for 3 hours or until firm. These refreshing frozen yoghurt pops are a fun way to make the most out of fresh in-season ingredients. You can make them ahead and keep them in the freezer in their moulds for up to a week. For more fresh ideas for entertaining, head to our playlist here. And to make sure you don't miss out on any of our videos, click here to subscribe.